So in this video, we're going to see a data structure 1-mark question from the year GATE 2015, and the topic is based on its postfix evaluation. So let's see what the question is. The result evaluating the postfix expression this is. So we are given a postfix expression, as you can see, and we have to evaluate it and find out what is the result of it. Now, as we all know that to evaluate postfix expression, the data structure that we use is a stack. So let me make a note of it. The data structure that we are going to use is a stack. So let me draw a stack right away. This is how the stack is going to work. Now, before we delve into the question and try to see how the given expression will be evaluated, let's quickly see what are the steps involved while solving a postfix expression. So here I have noted down few steps. Step number 1 is you have to push the number in the stack till we get an operator. So whenever we are going to evaluate a postfix expression, as you can see this one, we are either going to get a number like 10, 5, or we are going to get an operator like a plus, division, or a multiplication. So the algorithm says, this is the postfix evaluation algorithm, that you push the number in the stack till we get an operator. And now what to do when we get an operator? So here's the second step. Whenever we see an operator, you have to pop two numbers from the stack and push the result back. So pop two numbers from the stack, use the operator, and whatever is the result, push it back into the stack. Very simple, crisp 2 steps how to evaluate the postfix evaluation. Now let's try to evaluate the given expression number by number. So the first thing that I see here is a number 10. So as per the algorithm, whenever we see the number, step number 1, push it into the stack. So here it goes, 10 goes into the stack. So 10 is out of competition. Now we focus on 5. The next thing that we see after 10 is again a number. So push it into the stack. So 5 goes into the stack. And then I strike it out. Let's go next. Now the next thing we see is an operator plus. So as per step number 2, we are going to pop the first 2 numbers from the stack. So 5 and 10 gets popped. So here I'm going to note them down. They come out of the stack. And we are going to use the operator on them. So the operator is plus. 10 plus 5 is 15, and the result goes back into the stack. So 15 goes back here into the stack. Good. So plus is also processed. Now the next thing we see is again a number. Whenever we say number, push it back into the stack. So let me grow my stack here. Okay. So the next number goes is 60. Okay. Then we go next. Next is again a 6, a number. So it goes back into the stack. So 6 goes back into the stack. Now next we see is an operator, division operator. So whenever we say operator, pop the 2 numbers from the stack. So let me use a different color now. I'm going to pop the first 2 numbers out of the stack. So here I get 60 and 6, and this is my division operator which I'm processing. 60 divided by 6 is 10, and the result goes back into the stack. So 10 goes back into the stack. So this is done. Next we see again an operator which is a multiplication operator. So we follow the same process. We pop the 2 numbers from the stack. So 10 and 15 are the 2 numbers. So 10 and 15 come out of the stack, and the operator is multiplication. 10 into 15 is 150. The result goes back into the stack. So let me grow my stack a bit. Okay, 150. Cool. So this is also processed. Now the next number we see is a number. So that goes back into the stack. So 150 and 8. And once 8 is processed, the last thing in our expression is an operator, which is minus. So again, I'm going to pop the 2 numbers from the stack. So these are my 2 numbers, 150 and 8. And the operation is subtraction. And the result is 142. So 142 is the result of our given postfix expression. So this is going to be option number C. So option number C is our right answer.